This woman was convicted for microwaving her 28-day-old baby. In 2005, China Arnold was a young mother living in a low-income neighborhood in Dayton, Ohio. She had a troubled past marked by substance abuse and brushes with the law, but nothing could prepare the community for the horrific crime that unfolded in August of that year. Arnold's infant daughter, Paris, was just 28 days old when she died. The cause of death was determined to be hypothermia overheating due to being placed in a microwave oven. The details of the crime were shocking and deeply disturbing, prompting widespread outrage and disbelief. As the investigation unfolded, it became clear that Arnold had been drinking heavily on the night of her daughter's death. She had been involved in a heated argument with her boyfriend, Terrell Talley, who was the father of Paris. In a fit of rage, Arnold had allegedly placed her daughter in the microwave and turned it on. The case generated significant media attention, with reporters and legal experts speculating on Arnold's mental state at the time of the crime. Questions arose about her capacity to understand the consequences of her actions and whether she was fit to stand trial. Arnold's defence team argued that she suffered from a combination of mental illness and substance abuse issues, which impaired her judgment and decision-making abilities. They painted a picture of a troubled woman who had been failed by the system and society at large. However, prosecutors portrayed Arnold as a cold and calculating murderer who was fully aware of her actions. They pointed to her history of substance abuse and criminal behaviour as evidence of her culpability. In 2008, Arnold stood trial for the murder of her daughter. The proceedings were emotional and contentious, with witnesses providing conflicting testimony about Arnold's mental state and intentions on the night of the crime. Ultimately, the jury found Arnold guilty of aggravated murder, and she was sentenced to life in prison without the possibility of parole. The verdict was met with mixed reactions, with some applauding the decision as justice for Paris, while others expressed sympathy for Arnold's troubled past.